sensory bag. So my items that I will use are standard Ziploc bags, shaving cream, dish soap, rice, glitter, and some pom-poms. Okay, so we'll start off. Usually I use 2 bags in case there's any leaking, so we'll go with this bag. First we start with the soap. Spreading it out. This and add while you do this, make sure to close the bag in case it does. Next, we're going to move on to the rice. Here you could just pinch a little bit of rice in between your fingers and just throw them in. Alright. Okay, make sure it's a little bit closed. Alright, next I will put in my blue glitter, followed by my red glitter, and some pom-poms. So I'm going to seal this very tight. If there's a bit of air inside. I would put it the opposite way in case there is some that spills out. So the top or the bottom of the other bag. And really the point or the goal of this activity is it's a sensory activity. So we have a lot of different sensory materials. So we have the soap and the shaving cream, which adds a lot of tactile, which means our sense of touch. It's also very colorful, which adds a lot of visual input. We also have our pom-poms, which we can create a game with, asking your child to move the pom-pom all the way here, and at the same time they get a lot of input from the rice, from the soap, from the shaving cream, and whatnot. And of course, you can put any other item of your choice. You can put letters. Sometimes I ask children to find letters that I hide inside, and even larger items like highlighters or pencils.